Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Instagram group chat link. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to reset group chat link on Instagram is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once open the Instagram application, click on the messenger icon at the top right. Now locate and click on the group chat. Once open the group chat, click on the profile name, that is the group chat name. Then you should say invite link, go ahead and click on that. Once you click on your group chat invite link, to reset the group chat link, locate and click on reset link. Then choose a that says if you reset the link, the current link will expire and a new link will be created. No one will be able to join this group chat with the expired link. Now go ahead and click on reset link. And then you should say invite link reset, and then your Instagram group chat link will be reset. So that is basically how to reset group chat link on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.